Macaroni.
So we're all loaded, right?
Yeah, man.
Our last video was about testing the 3D printed micro Roni
Macaroni.
Glock 44 adapter. This is the 3D. I keep wanting to say it's 3D printed, but it's not. Milled
Version
aluminum
that we sent to the people to make for us out of aluminum. That they milled it. Okay.
You guys get the idea.
Nope.
Let's put that in the micro Roni.
Macaroni.
All right, there's the adapter.
It's just aluminum. So, fitting the macaroni. Macaroni. Ow! I just bumped my elbow. Funny bone. That hurts. Okay, I'm not gonna get a jacket on. I'm being crazy.
Okay, crazy girl.
We need ears.
What do you mean? I got my ears right here. Here they are.
Ooh, I saw my ears.
Oh yeah, dang. Yeah, Lizzie got her ears pierced for her birthday. All right, ready when you are. Dump them. Nice. All right, change the mag. Inside the micro Roni.
Macaroni.
It seems like it runs pretty good with that new aluminum adapter. Works pretty good. Nice.
Glock 44 with a macaroni adapter. Macaroni.